Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Excel and creating a new workbook. This gets you into a blank grid fast. Name and save the file right away, so Excel autosaves to that location. Next, make sure grid lines and formula bar are visible, and set zoom to 100% for accurate layout. Once done, click a cell to begin. Cells are where you type data and formulas. Make sure your keyboard number pad is set, so entering figures is quick and consistent. You'll populate the sheet starting with headers in row 1, then freeze that row so it stays visible while you scroll. After entering rows of data, use keyboard shortcuts. Tab moves right, Enter moves down to speed entry. For totals and averages, type formulas beginning with equals. For example, equals sum B2, B10, or equals average C2, C10. To multiply, use equals A2 asterisk B2. Once your formulas are in a cell, drag the fill handle to copy. Now you format and review. Apply number formats like currency or percentage so values display correctly, and adjust column width to fit text. Use conditional formatting to flag negatives, duplicates, or values above a threshold. This helps you spot issues fast. If a formula looks wrong, turn on Show Formulas or select the cell and press F9 to evaluate parts. Make sure ranges are correct and not using text. If things still break, check for leading spaces or mismatched cell types. Fixing those resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.